Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Catherine and today's video is all about phonics, arguably the most important part in teaching English online. Why? Because how you say certain letters and certain words kind of depicts, is depicts the right word? Sure. Depicts how that word is going to be used, what you mean by that word, so on and so forth. So it's really important to get this down, and while the children are learning English, it's a good time to set up some good habits so that the bad habits don't crush them later. So what do I mean by bad habits? I will show you. Sometimes when people are explaining letter sounds, they don't always say the correct phonetical sound. I'm very guilty of this. For example, a lot of people will say t. Like the letter T is pronounced t. Now that is not right. How do you know that's not right? When you say cat, you don't say catta. Catta. It sounds like I'm trying to have an accent of some sort. You don't say that. You say cat, right? So instead of ta, you would say t. Just t. It sounds weird when you're just saying it by itself, but what helps me remember it is putting it in words. So for example, cat, right? I would say cat, not catta, when I'm saying ta, because it's not ta, it's t, like a little t, you know? So cat, not cat-ta. You get it. That's just a little trick that helps me keep it straight because, I mean, it can get confusing, especially with T's and R's and all the other letters. I have Nancy Taylor's course, Teaching ESL Online. It's a fabulous course. Whether you're a beginner or a veteran, I highly recommend this course, but especially if you're a beginner, she has a whole very in-depth video about phonics. It's super, super helpful. And in this video, she does this. She goes through every letter and tells you the real sound that they're supposed to say. I've seen other teachers do this too, and I find it so, so helpful. So I'm gonna do it for you so that we can all learn together the letters and the alphabet. It's a good refresher because I tend to forget at 4 a.m. I'm sure you do too. So let's go. A, B, B, C, K. No, you don't say K, say K. Just something I do sometimes. D, 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 E, or E. Depends, right? F, G, 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 H, I, or I. Again, like E, depends. Vowels are weird. J, J, K, K, L, M, N, O, or O, you know. P, P, Q, Qu, R, not R, car, yes. S, T, T, U, or U. U, V, W, W, X, X, it, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. So I hope that was helpful. I'm gonna double check myself 40 times after this video, make sure I said them correctly. But yeah, and if you ever get stumped up, like I do occasionally, I'm like, is that the correct thing? Think of a word like cat, t, you know, T makes t, car, car, So think of words with the letters in it, very simple words, not something like supercalifragilisticexpialidocious, because that's just more confusing. I don't know how to spell that, but it's fine. So anyway, I hope you found this helpful. If you do, please leave a like and a comment below if there's any other videos you'd like me to make. I'm having a whole series right now about ESL tips and tricks, so if you think of one that I haven't done yet, let me know, okay? I work for 2 ESL companies, VIP Kit and Palfish, so if you're interested in either of those, my referral links are in the description, and I really appreciate it when you use my link to apply. And I have tons of resources on my website, so check that out. Check those out as well. Okay, thank you for being here. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Why? Because pretty much how you just, pretty much sets it up the whole, yeah, we're going with it. Why? Because how you say certain words in... Take 1004. Why? Because how you say certain letters and certain words kind of depicts how that... Oh my gosh, I cannot get through this sentence. Sometimes... Ah! Is it G? 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 Yeah. I apparently don't know my letters either. It's fine. We're learning together. Yes, G, or sorry. We're still learning apparently. How do you say Q? Qua? Letters are hard. Hey Siri. How do you pronounce the letter Q?
Okay,